What's crack a lacking for niggas?
And welcome back to A&J Unfiltered.
You know, later in this episode, you'll have us.
Smells so good.
It does smell really good. We're making banana bread today, and we're also gonna be doing the deaf, mute, and
blind challenge,
Yeah.
but it's only two of us because third camera's not here. So I was mute and he was deaf.
I had a fun time being deaf.
I bet you did. Fuck nigga.
Don't be mad at me because you can listen to music.
Yo,
don't
what I
me.
tell you,
Yo.
I was doing that shit the whole time, and your ass did not hear shit, and I was so happy. I'm like, oh yeah, he'll know I'm talking shit right now. Can't hear ass motherfucker. Oh my gosh.
We'll get into that. Cole Samira, how was your week?
It was fine. We tried to talk about weeks, and but I don't think I couldn't talk. So you know, but my week was fine. It was all I did was work. I didn't work 4th of July. I was supposed to, but I didn't work 4th of July. But yeah, there's nothing that interesting. Tomorrow I really want to hang out with my friends because tomorrow's my last day before I have to work the rest of the week.
Yeah, tomorrow would have been my last day, but I took a shift for someone. I get paid tomorrow though, so
whoop and such.
I'm gonna try my hardest.
I also get paid tomorrow.
I get paid bi-weekly. She gets paid weekly, so I had to go through the struggle.
Yeah, but never mind. You don't know my money flow, nigga. Fuck up. Anyways.
Okay, Jezebel. But my week it was okay. Work.
Yeah, work.
The 4th of July. It was cool. The day was okay because I had a good day at work. Then I went to Baltimore for the fireworks with these people. Like, if you know you're not gonna date someone, why entertain them? I literally said this on my red flags last episode, or talk to Jake, whatever the fuck it was. Why are you leading someone on? I digress. The fireworks show was okay. We missed it, so I
saw it. It was nice, but damn, I really started feeling eco-friendly when those were happening because it was already raining. It was already foggy.
Eco-friendly,
and the dust and the smoke from the
eco-friendly.
Shut the fuck up and let me speak.
What did you? You don't stop talking to me like that, bro.
Let me speak and let me finish, and you'll know what I'm talking about. You cut me off halfway through my sentence, so you what? Huh?
So that's actually a fucking question.
Mean? Well, let me finish, and the answer to your question, it will be fucking. You know what, Jordan? I'm not fucking arguing with you. I'm not arguing with you. I'm not arguing with you.
Finish your fucking story.
No, I forgot, bitch. Oh my god.
The eco-friendly.
Right.
Yeah.
Like when the smoke was coming up from the fireworks, it was making so much smoke and it smelled so horrible and it darkened everything. Like the smoke was everywhere and I'm like, damn. Fuck the equator, I guess. Damn, we're doomed. Like it was just so smoky and so foggy and these fire light shows were like miles away and I can see the smoke from them. That is bad.
That's how that was my representation of a firework.
Please shut the fuck up, Jordan.
I didn't even say anything. So, yeah, I missed the fucking fireworks. We got there as soon as they finished. We were at Druid Hill. Yeah, and then they told us to get the fuck off the park.
Right.
Then we watched around Baltimore. About 3 fights were about to break out because Baltimore at 10 o'clock at night. Everybody's hot and humid and moist. There's so many beautiful black queens out in Baltimore. Or young hoes, whatever you want to be called. What?
Don't piss me off.
Big mama, young hoe. What's so funny? What was so funny? Yeah, that's over the 4th of July. And then 2 days after that, I proceeded to be a dinner and allegedly drink and smoke. Allegedly. Heavy on the allegedly. That shit does smell good as fuck. I forgot to make my fucking glaze.
Well, we'll make it on camera.
Oh, yes. It's
14 minutes left.
But yeah, that was my week. So, co-host Amira, I have literally fuck all to talk about.
Me either. I guess we just wanted this staple moment before
the chaos.
Yeah, before the chaos. So we want a little clip before y'all get into the cooking, and that's this.
Yeah. So.
But
I
don't know what to say. You like jazz?
They don't like jazz.
Oh, my fault. My fault. I thought niggas like jazz and shit.
No, they like NBA Youngboy.
Seeing what that's like. Yo, I'm hilarious.
No, the fuck you're not, bro.
Yeah,
you're such a fucking dad.
Yo,
bro.
I'm hilarious.
But when I make dad jokes,
I'm hilarious.
Nigga, mental.
I'm not.
Hey, we're back. I'm gonna go deaf. She's already mute, so. I'm listening to The Hills by The Weeknd. She really wanted to be deaf, but she can't, so. Anywho. Oh! Because you have to smash them. Yeah, our recipe's on her phone. While she gets that, I'm gonna smash my nuts. A whole fucking row. Let's get a pan. Ah! Fuck. Bastard. I can't talk. Thank you. So, since I can talk and she can't, because what the fuck was that? What the fuck? Since she can't explain her week, I'm gonna explain it for her. My week was pretty chill. Work. I worked the 4th of July. I'm loud as shit, aren't I? Yeah, I worked the 4th of July. It was cool. Yeah, she didn't work. She's a bum. It was a brunch shift. I had to work the next like 2. I have work all day tomorrow, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. So I'm gonna kill myself. I do a better way to do this. Yeah, while she does that, I'm gonna go outside and beat my shit. I'm gonna beat my shit. Move. Pull my fucking pants. There's a fucking pan out there. Are you just the election of 1800? She's so bad. I bought her whisk. The fuck is my whisk? Oh, I wanted that one. I got a whisk. I got a mini whisk. It's the Portuguese. Nope. Oh. Not that. I'm scared. Gee, endorsed my redeem. Oh, you can use that, I guess. What? She went to get a marker. So what she explained to you was she grabbed 3 bananas and she can start mixing them with a knife. I'm gonna get my 3 bananas and mix my shit with a knife. Brr! How you guys doing? You know, in our last promo we made, we go away. Oh. How the fuck does my banana look like that? $50 to lick it. They said corroded, not fucking pus. Dear Mr. Hamilton, go in. Story of my life. You know, she can communicate with the fucking bag. Board, not bag. I'm so loud. Oh, I'm not? Yeah, cool. Alexander. Ugh, yuck. She's mushing her bananas. You know, your back is just turned. You're not showing the audience. Be inclusive. You know, we're not enslaved anymore. I'm sure that's 3. Oh, shit. I'm gonna mush my bananas now. If you don't actually want to promote, Jefferson has my vote. I got the fucking job done. Jefferson has beliefs. You have none. We love music and theater and shit in this house. I don't care if you say so. Your fucking mic. I promise you that shit would have went under the goddamn stuff and I would have beat you. You saw that. Last episode she said she didn't beat us. Or no, the episode after that she said she didn't beat us. She beats us. You know why? Because I'm the president. Kill yourself. We're still mushing. It takes a while to mush. Fucking ad. Yes, I'm poor. I don't have Apple Music or Spotify Premium. You know, yeah. AT&T is nuts, you know. Sorry. Move. Please and thank you. AA.AA. A third cup of a third cup of granulated sugar. Not a third cup. You don't have to. A fourth too. Handwriting sucks. I might look like you need more, but it might look like you need more. I got 3. That's what it called for. God damn it. Why do you not have a third? Why do you not? Why do you have one half and not? You know what? I'm gonna kill myself. How about that? Let's melt some butter. A half cup of granulated sugar. 1/4. I'm listening to my R&B playlist, and so you gotta hit a jig. Oh, they're gonna hate me. All they hear is my voice. You could have been blind. I mean, that's so loud. What? Why is the internet butt? Get a close up and shit. She's the big mama, young hollow type shit. I'm just having the time of my life. I kind of don't want to. Oh, fuck you. Not you. What? Oh, it's the same artist again, I think. A bow. Need a cup of whole milk. You want to melt it? Oh, how much? Melt half of it. Or like 2 tablespoons. Shit. How is half the fucking milk already gone? We got it yesterday. Bro, what the fuck happens in this house? Fucking milk connoisseurs? Oh, I'm just in my own groove, goddamn. My fault, OG. I need a third of a fourth of maple syrup. I don't know why bitches be putting maple syrup in. Original syrup works. Yeah, but, you know what? Squeeze me Don't put shit away. If you love me, won't you? Won't you love me? Don't you say something? Love me, won't you? I'm having the time of my life. Someone's calling. Oh, alarm? Oh, okay. I couldn't hear shit, so. She's really mad that she couldn't be deaf. My fat ass. I'm about to go to the fridge too. I'm gonna keep my eggs over here. I do need eggs. I just need one actually. Excuse me. I hope y'all don't see my butt crack. That would be very.
Okay, so I'm just not gonna talk, but I can't keep this fucking.
Huh?
I can't keep that on my mouth.
Do you just want to be blind?
No, I'm just not gonna talk.
Oh. Well, I'm gonna stay deaf, so she can talk to y'all now.
No, I'm just not gonna talk.
Oh, you're just not gonna talk? Okay. Knowing damn well she's not gonna keep her mouth shut. Why are you turning off your phone? We both need the goddamn recipe. Sorry, that's mean. I don't hate you, I promise. Gangsters walk. Can I have this flour? I need 2 cups of flour. It's a half, so I just need 4. Okay. Why is there a hole? You know what? And I hated that. I hated that. What? I need 2 of these? Tammy, Becky, and Laura. I had to get it hurdy like I'm in a hurry. Tiki Tow. That's my record style. Need a tablespoon of vanilla extract. Gangsters walk, pimps gon' talk. Oh, heck you know, that boy is raw. Oh, bitch. And was... You know, this is not a normal podcast. We're in fact not talking, we're cooking. Well, I don't really know, man. I'm tired. Work sucks. 1 teaspoon of baking soda. 1 teaspoon. What? For a mo. Don't choke. I'm a whole fucking nicotine company. Get mad at me? Well, that works. And a pinch of salt. And establish a national bank. Where's the salt? There's sea salt. Didn't you buy some? I'm almost done, so. Oh, I didn't see it. Your phone hit the. Oh, is the oven on? Bitch. What you looking for? Would you like to join us? Light brown sugar? Oh, wait, I'm confused. Oh, you could have just turned around. Need a bigger bowl.
Teaspoon. No, this is a fork.
Hamilton, take a walk.
Oh.
Hamilton, a word. Yeah. Whipping it up in this bitch. Whipping it, whipping it, whipping it, whipping it, whipping it, whipping it. No, do you think it fits more folks? You somebody shut the fuck up again? And we're
Might have
recording.
to censor the knife.
I don't give a fuck. They make cooking videos all the time. We're back.
We're back.
This is what we made.
Yes. Oh my gosh. Look how good. Oh my god.
Her rose, mine's done. I'm kind of jealous. It's porn according to her.
Just appreciate it. We're gonna show a picture right up here.
I'm gonna cut into my shit.
Ooh. This shit better be good.
I'll kill myself if it's not.
Literally.
In fact, fuck, eat this shit right from the goddamn. Holy shit.
What?
That's sex. Hold on.
That's sex.
Oh, that's sex. Oh fuck, it's too dark. They can't see it. That's sex right there.
Ooh, I smell my cinnamon. Oh
my god.
Oh, I did great.
Yeah, she cares about the cross section. I want to care about this goddamn taste.
Ooh. Ooh.
Oh my god.
Ooh. If this is bad, I'm gonna kill myself.
Yo, Amira. Yo, as a fat nigga, I'm proud of myself. I can cook, ladies. And bake now. Oh my hell. Looks dry, huh? Looks dry, huh? That shit moist. Look, nah.
Oh yeah, this is so good.
Nah, bring this right here.
Mm-hmm.
Come on. Yeah.
I want to put my glaze all the way through, but this is good.
You see that shit right there? That shit moist. Oh, I'm a nut.
Right. Mm. I'm gonna put my my icing all the way through though, because it didn't go all the way through the cracks because I didn't poke holes in it. But oh my god. Matter of fact, let me do it right now. Oh my god, that's so good though. So proud of us. We did great. And ladies and gentlemen, all this was from scratch, as you saw. Even the icing. Well, you didn't see that because we did that off camera.
Yeah.
You've heard it here. I'm a baking woman. He's a baking and cooking man. Well, I can cook. I just don't feel like it. I just don't like cooking. But baking, I like this. This is nice. I can get used to this.
I won't be raw. I won't lie. Mine's gonna be raw in the middle. Yes, I won't lie. Mine's gonna be raw in the middle. Like a very medium. Like it has form, but it's not firm like yours.
That's because you added
Oreos.
Oreos, yeah. Oreos are naturally gonna be like mushy and stuff like that. Just some fat shit. This is how I know I'll make a man fat and happy. Because I'm over here moving the bread so it can get inside.
Hey, but
icing, filling, and topping. I'm gonna make a nigga fat so he can never leave me. Oh, my fault.
Okay, but we're gonna go back in the house now. We're gonna eat our munchies.
Yes. Oh my god, this is so good. And I'm gonna give a plate to my stepdad because my mom doesn't eat banana bread. So.
But we'll see you guys next time. Spark up with us, all right?
Peace.